The 4 degrees of fire. There are many grades of fire mentioned in alchemical texts. Some are physical and some are subtle, representatives of spiritual principles. Most often mentioned are celestial fire, central fire, secret fire, and elemental or common fire. We will be developing a deeper understanding of these various fires as we go. For now, let us examine the lowest grade of fire, that which we are most familiar with, which is the common fire. At the practical level, the ancients used common fire in a system of graded heats, often called the 4 degrees of fire. The first degree of fire is the Balneum Mary, or Bath of Mary. Some believe this was developed by a female Jewish adept named Mary, the prophetess, around 500 CE. Others say it is not derived from a woman's name, but from the word mare, and refers to the ocean, like marine. This is basically a double boiler. The container of matter to be heated is immersed in another container of water, which is heated by the furnace. In this way, the subject matter can never get hotter than 100 degrees Celsius, and thus cannot scorch the delicate components. Alcohol is rectified in a water bath, as an example. The second degree of fire is called Balneum Cinerus, or ash bath. This is where the matter is placed in the ash pit and heated still hotter. The ashes have a certain insulating quality that allows for a heat which is above that of boiling water, but is still evenly distributed around the vessel. The third degree of heat is called the Balneum Arena, or sand bath. It is set up like the water bath, but is able to maintain a higher heat than the water or ashes. Many oils and substances with boiling points higher than water can be heated and distilled with the sand bath. It provides an even heating of the matter and avoids hot spots from developing. In fairly high heats, the sand bath also lends support for the vessel, which may be otherwise become deformed from the heat. We can see here a depiction of the sand bath from the early 1800s. The 4 degrees, called Bagliot Ignis, or bathing flame. This is the hottest you can make, and normally is done on a furnace with a naked flame. This heat is used for calcinations and fusions. We have a great advantage today with our electric hot plates or gas heating that can be regulated easily for long periods. In general, start off with the lowest temperature possible to accomplish the operation and try to avoid hot spots for an uneven heating. One can always increase the heat as needed. We mentioned earlier that the operations of alchemy are representative of nature's operative principles, active at all levels of reality. The sages often point out that knowledge of the occult operations of the elements is another essential key to success. In order to understand where and why a particular operation is applied to our matter in the laboratory, we will be examining alchemical concepts of the elements as we go along. Let's learn about chemical operations in the next video.